Thank you for joining us today. We have developed this educational tool to equip you with the proper techniques needed to dispense three-piece rimless frames efficiently and with confidence. The topics we'll be reviewing today are rimless mounting types, the proper hand tools for rimless adjustments, identifying those critical adjustments, followed by hands-on training. There are basically two major types of mountings used with three-piece frames. Here is an example of the standard screw and nut assembly. You'll notice a screw passes through the lenses and is secured by a nut on the back side of the lens. And here is an example of the compression bushing, which is becoming more popular. Typically, two posts insert through the front side of the lens and a compression fit bushing goes through the back side of the lens. In order to effectively adjust drill mount frames, you must have the proper tools. You will need adjusting pliers such as this flat round nylon jaw plier, a double nylon jaw plier, pad arm adjusting pliers, and you should also have a drill mount bracing plier. The drill mount bracing plier secures the frame at the critical stress point of the lens. It reduces the risk of lens damage while the dispenser makes any frame adjustments. This drill mount bracing concept will be used in all of our adjustments today. Ergo Pro bracing pliers have a unique jaw design that accepts most of the hardware configurations used with three-piece frames. There are holes and slots in the jaw that surround the hardware and brace it while adjustments are made. The pivoting head is placed on the front of the lens, and this pivoting action compensates for lens base curve. The secure head is placed on the back side of the lens. Grip the hardware that passes through the lens with your bracing pliers and hold the frame securely. Once a three-piece drill mount frame is assembled, you should always check for three critical adjustment properties. First, check the face form at the bridge. At a minimum, the lenses should be parallel with the bridge, but can also be angled inward a couple of degrees. There should also be a 90-degree angle at both temples. Next, check for 4-point alignment. Turn the frame upside down on a flat surface and look for contact on both lenses and temples on the bench top. In this example, the frame needs adjustments in all three critical areas. There are three key points to keep in mind when adjusting three-piece frames. First, make the adjustments in small increments. Don't hurry and periodically check how the adjustment is coming along. 2. Never use the lenses for leverage in making adjustments. Doing so risks damaging the lenses. You should always use a bracing plier to eliminate lens stress. Also, third, prior to making any adjustments, make sure that the screws and nuts are fastened securely. To change the face form, secure the frame hardware with the bracing pliers and use a double nylon jaw plier to make the proper adjustment. For pad arm adjustments, they're typically needed to fit your patient properly, and it's recommended that you secure the hardware with your bracing pliers when you make these adjustments. Use your pad arm adjusting pliers to turn the pad arms inward or outward so that the nose pad facing will make full contact with your patient's bridge. To adjust for a 90-degree temple to front angle, secure the frame with your bracing pliers and use a flat round adjustment plier to make the proper angle correction. Now to change the pantoscopic angle, secure the frame with the bracing pliers and make the correction using a double nylon jaw plier. Now place the frame upside down on the bench surface and check for 4-point contact. Finally, when all the adjustments are complete, check each nut to make sure they are still tight. Now the adjusting cycle is complete. Thank you for the opportunity to present this video to you. We at Hilco believe that the proper training and tools are critical to the successful adjustment of three-piece rimless eyewear. Practicing the techniques you have learned in this video is sure to increase your efficiency and build your confidence. We are certain you will achieve great results. Take the anxiety out of rimless fabrication and dispensing with Hilco's Rimless Ready solution. For less than the cost of remaking one pair of rimless eyewear, you can have all the components you need to dispense efficiently and with confidence. This kit includes the three-piece bracing plier featured in the video, a step-by-step wall chart outlining the techniques demonstrated in the video, along with a hardware kit with the most popular rimless components, 260 pieces in total. All this for only $74.99. Are you rimless ready?